This stage seems empty. Like all stages, from the theater to sports arenas, it's what you don't see that really matters. You see, tonight, on a stage like this, SoFi Stadium, young men will be vying for a chance to make it in the NFL. The big show, a dream they've had since they were a kid. How would I know? Because I was one of them. I'm Akbar Gbaja-Biamila, and years ago, I played for the Chargers. And yeah, it's a team, but you can bet every one of these guys want their shot at the big time. To be a Los Angeles Charger, they're going to have to lay in all the line to prove it. They're winning fiber of their being. And who wouldn't want to play with these guys? That's some good company. That's the greatest throw I've ever seen. I know what you're thinking. It's just preseason football. Just a game. Nah. It's what you can't see that makes a difference. Tonight, the stage is set. The time is now. It's been 216 days since the Chargers last took the field, and that all changes tonight from SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, California. Your Los Angeles Chargers are taking on the crosstown rival Los Angeles Rams. Brandon Staley entering year 2 as the head man for the Chargers. His first season very successful with 9 wins. What's in store for his encore? It should be a lot of fun, and we are glad to have you with us. Welcome to SoFi Stadium. No Eagles Hall of Famer Dan Fouts. We've got the Hall of Famer LaDainian Tomlinson. Haley Allen will be joining us as well. But there's a lot to be excited about. If you're not just Brandon Staley, if you're a fan of this team, they're loaded up and down. And it really starts with a quarterback, Justin Herbert, who last year put up record-setting type numbers. You expect that type of production again?
I know he'll do it again. I've never seen